In this video, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Nztt. This Nztt is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner, so it encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on your files. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open all your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. This ransomware would encrypt files and append a special Nztt extension to the file names. So it is definitely impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware then appends a special Nztt extension, and it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, most likely you will just waste your money. So don't pay, don't waste your funds. I recommend you to immediately scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this goal. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and then start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely it will first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, so do not skip this very important step. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data in the future. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium. You can always request for the free trial, and this will help you to remove this ransomware for free. And also, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.